video we will fix the Frigidaire Dishwasher E30 error, leak detected, drain pan and reset steps. So the fixed one, you can firstly turn off power and reset. So firstly you can turn off the dishwasher, then switch off the breaker or unplug it, then wait for around 10 to 15 minutes and then turn power back on and check if the error is gone. The fix 2, you can check for water leak. Plug the dishwasher slightly forward, then look under and around it for a water, then dry any water you see with a towel. Then after, in your fix 3, you can empty and dry the bottom pan. Remove the lower rack, scoop out or soak up water from the bottom pan, then let the dishwasher dry completely. And at final step, you can inspect the door lease. So open the door, then check the rubber seal for damage or dirt, then clean it or replace it if torn. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.